Hi, I'm Corey. I'm 18, I'm from Cerdd and I'm studying music at Coleg Gwent. I chose this course after really enjoying music in secondary school at GCSE. Me and my friends sort of got into making our own music and doing covers. What I like most about my course is definitely the facilities. It's almost like walking into a professional studio. You come here to be professionals and to make professional music. My long-term career goals is to continue in the music industry. I want to continue with my band and continue to release new music. Definitely my biggest achievement has been featured on BBC Radio Wales on the Adam Walton show. I feel like Coleg Gwent was a pivotal part in that. I would never be able to gain the confidence to even make music, never mind release it and send it off. Like Coleg Gwent just gave me that opportunity. I would definitely recommend this course to people who are thinking of studying music, not only because of facilities and support, but because this course actually shows you every single path you can take within the music industry.